Hey, my name is Jasmine Chanel. If you clicked on this video, then you are interested in seeing and hearing a little bit about Moscow, Idaho. Now, Moscow, Idaho is growing substantially. People from Washington, Arizona, California are all moving here for small town living and a sense of freedom, especially after the pandemic. Now, Moscow is a small town right on the neighbor of Washington State. Washington State is like a 10-minute drive, if that, home of the University of Idaho. I was just at the DMV today, and the lady who was working there told me there are about 15 people every day changing over their license from Washington to Idaho. I thought it'd be cool to put an updated video on YouTube. I'm going to show you downtown Moscow, a couple businesses. We'll take a look at the University of Idaho, where I'm at now. Low-cost private Christian high school. I'm showing you from eye level, a bird's eye view, and then I'll also show you neighborhoods and some of the historic buildings that are located downtown Moscow. It's growing so much, and I'm going to show you some of that new development that is being built right now. If there's an area that I don't cover in this video and you are out of town and want to see something, drop it in the comment section below and I will make a video specifically for you. Again, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. My name is Jasmine Chanel. I also have a YouTube of content all over the world, and thanks for watching.